Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Telegram bot. First, open Telegram and search for Bot Father. This is the official bot that helps you create new bots. Once you find it, send the command /newbot to start the process. You'll then be prompted to choose a display name and a unique username for your bot. Remember, the username must end with bot. After you've named your bot, Bot Father will immediately provide you with an API token. This token is a long string of characters and numbers, crucial for connecting your bot to external applications. Think of it as your bot's password. It's vital to keep this token confidential and never share it publicly, as anyone with the token can control your bot. Now that you have your token, it's time to decide how your bot will function. You can use a programming language such as Python, Node, JS, or Java, often with a dedicated Telegram bot library to simplify development. Alternatively, for simpler tasks, explore no-code platforms that allow you to build bot logic without writing any code, making it accessible for everyone. With your bot's logic in place, the next step is deployment. This usually involves hosting your code on a server or a cloud platform so it can run continuously. Once deployed, open Telegram and find your bot by its username. Send it some messages to test its responses and ensure everything is working as expected. Don't hesitate to make adjustments and improve its functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.